Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is about when to use qu'est-ce que or quel to mean what. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. First of all, qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que always means what, but it's what as in what thing. You use it when you don't know what the thing might be. For instance, when you ask someone, qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? You don't know what they're doing. So you ask qu'est-ce que. Same when you ask, qu'est-ce que vous mangez? What are you eating? And qu'est-ce qu'elle préfère? What does she prefer? See, you don't know what object or thing this is about, so use qu'est-ce que. Now, quel also means what, but it's what as in which. It's when you know what the thing is, but you need to pick one out of several. And you've noticed that there's 4 ways of spelling quel, and I'll explain that later. For instance, tu lis quel journal? What paper are you reading, or which paper are you reading? You know that they're reading a paper, you just want to know which one, which is why you will say quel journal. Ils ont choisi quel dessert? Which dessert did they choose? And vous prenez quel bus pour aller travailler? Which bus do you take to go to work? Now here's your explanation on how to spell quel. It's not difficult, you've just got to remember your masculine and feminine in French. Quel, Q-U-E-L, is the masculine, as in quel journal, because journal is le journal. When you got more than one paper, you put an S at the end of quel, but it's still silent. But journal changes to journaux in the plural, so be careful with this one. Quel journal becomes quel journaux. Then we've got quel, Q-U-E-L-L-E, which is the feminine. Quelle maison, because it's la maison. And when there's more than one house, quelle maison. Now you see, to the ear, quelle maison when it's one, or quelle maison when it's more than one, sound exactly the same. It's only the context that will tell you. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.